Let us begin from a point where time and space did not exist, a point enveloped in infinite silence. How did the universe come into being? How was Earth shaped amidst this chaos? Let us embark on this wondrous journey through the lens of science. Science tells us that the universe began approximately 13.8 billion years ago with an event called the Big Bang. But do not be misled by the term bang. It was, in fact, an expansion, an ocean of energy followed by particles and atoms. The concept of this expansion challenges our imagination, stretching beyond what we perceive as time and space. Seconds after the Big Bang, the universe expanded at the speed of light. Over billions of years, stars, galaxies, and planets came into existence. Yet our story had just begun. As the universe expanded, approximately 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system began to take shape. Clouds of gas and dust orbiting the sun coalesced over time. This marked the birth of planets. In its infancy, Earth was an extremely hot and dense world composed of lava and magma, a world that seemed inhospitable to any form of life. Over time, however, Earth's surface began to cool. An atmosphere formed, and rain began to fall. These rains gave birth to the oceans, where the seeds of life were sown in the depths of these waters. But how did these seeds emerge? Could the formation of the first organic molecules be the result of random processes, or is there a deeper mechanism yet to be discovered? Scientists believe that life first began in the depths of the oceans, near hydrothermal vents. Here, chemical reactions created simple organic molecules. These molecules evolved over billions of years to form the first living organisms. However, the leap from simple molecules to complex cellular life remains one of the greatest mysteries of science. From single-celled organisms to multicellular life, and then to complex organisms that inhabited both land and sea, life found a way to thrive, even under the harshest conditions. But one question persists. How did human consciousness, with its unparalleled complexity, evolve in such a short time on the evolutionary scale? As Earth's evolution continued, the era of dinosaurs, massive extinctions, and the subsequent rise of mammals unfolded. Finally, about 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens made their debut, carrying within them a consciousness capable of questioning the universe itself. Science provides us with extraordinary insights, yet it has not answered all questions about the origins of the universe and Earth. Intriguingly, certain narratives in sacred texts shed light on topics that science has yet to clarify. For instance, the Quran, the Bible, and the Torah explore the origins of life, the process of creation, and human consciousness in remarkable detail. These texts describe the creation of humans as beginning with a breath, a metaphorical element that distinguishes humans from other beings. This concept of a breath of life raises questions that science has not yet resolved. What is the essence of this metaphor? Does it symbolize consciousness, or is it something deeper? To illustrate this further, sacred texts often refer to the universe having a purpose or design, a concept that remains a profound philosophical question. While science unravels the mechanisms, the why behind existence often eludes scientific inquiry. There remain unresolved questions in the story that stretches from Stardust to the origins of life. These gaps highlight that the scientific exploration of the universe and the origins of life is far from complete. The narrative of existence is as much a journey of discovery as it is of questions. For example, do we truly know how the first molecules of life came into existence? Or how human consciousness evolved so rapidly to achieve such complexity? These questions continue to await answers in the scientific realm, inviting us to explore further. The story of Earth is intertwined with the story of the universe. This is a tale of a planet formed from the remnants of stars, a planet that gave rise to life and consciousness. Take a moment to reflect. Where do we stand in this narrative? Which questions have been answered, and which remain open? Perhaps the most profound question is not about answers, but about the journey itself. What lies beyond the horizons we have yet to reach? Guided by science, we will continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe. This is our story, but it is also yours. If this cosmic journey has inspired you, leave a mark by liking, commenting, or sharing this video. You can help this story reach more people. Every contribution amplifies the echo of this tale among the stars. Now pause and ponder. In this infinite adventure of the universe, which question would you most like to see answered?